Go language. An introduction.
Go, also known as Golang, is a modern programming language created by Google. Designed for simplicity, efficiency, and performance, Go is gaining rapid adoption in the tech world. Its clear syntax and powerful features make it an excellent choice for professionals building large, reliable software systems, especially in cloud computing and backend development.
Why developers choose Go?
Go stands out for its ease of learning and straightforward syntax, making it accessible to newcomers and efficient for experienced developers. Its built-in support for concurrent programming allows developers to build software that can handle many tasks at once, which is essential for back-end services and scalable applications.
Advantages in cloud and scale.
Go is especially popular for cloud-native development. It compiles to fast, standalone binaries that run efficiently across platforms. Its minimal dependencies and efficient execution make deployment and scaling easier, powering tools and platforms like Docker and Kubernetes that form the backbone of today's cloud infrastructure.
Reliable performance and maintenance.
Go emphasizes stability and speedy execution. Its static typing and automatic garbage collection help catch errors early and manage memory safely. Go encourages clean, readable code that's easy to maintain, supporting teams that need to build and update large systems without getting bogged down in complexity.
Career opportunities with Go.
Learning Go opens doors to high-demand careers in technology. Major companies and startups alike seek Go developers for roles in back-end engineering, cloud services, and DevOps. Its growing ecosystem and supportive community offer many resources for learning and career advancement in modern software development.